In this video, you'll learn how to use Notion for life organization. This guide explains how to create a structured environment that promotes productivity and clarity in managing various aspects of your life. Begin by navigating to the Notion website in your preferred web browser. If you are not already signed in, enter your credentials to access your accounts. Once you are logged in, locate the option to create a new page, which is usually found in the sidebar on the left side of the screen. Click on the New Page button. After creating the new page, title it Life Dashboard. This page will serve as your central hub for organization. To enhance clarity, add sections for goals, tasks, habits, and finances. Use simple headings to distinguish each section. It is important to keep the layout clean and distraction-free to facilitate easy navigation and focus. Next, focus on building organized databases within your Life Dashboard. Begin by creating a task database that will help you with daily planning. To do this, click on the plus icon or select the table option and label it as tasks. Then add a goals tracker with specific deadlines to keep you accountable. You may insert a habit tracker table to monitor your daily habits and create a simple expense database to organize your finances. Ensure that your categories are structured clearly to allow for efficient tracking. Consistency is crucial for maintaining your organization system. Make it a habit to review your dashboard daily. During this review, update tasks and goals as necessary. It is also beneficial to archive completed items monthly to keep the dashboard uncluttered. Regularly assess and improve the layout based on your evolving needs, but avoid overcomplicating the system to maintain its effectiveness. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.